and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things you want to know about shopping ZARA online. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then I would really appreciate it if you subscribed down below. I want to share with you guys why I decided to make this video. So I find ZARA to be an amazing clothing store. Unfortunately, not many people know about the store, know about the great items that ZARA has to offer, especially during a time like this when they have sales going on. I decided to go with the route of ZARA online shopping, which I wasn't sure how I wanted to take this video, but I decided to do the online shopping version because during a time like now, which I mentioned they have the sales going on, shopping online is much easier because things are categorized. So if you're shopping the sale, you can shop jeans on sale or shoes on sale, accessories on sale, things like that, as opposed to going in the store and just being overwhelmed, especially if it's your first time, if you've never been there, just being overwhelmed by the fact that everything's probably on the floor, especially when you're heading in later towards the sale. In the beginning, it's probably a little more organized because the sale has just started. But as the sale goes on, as time goes on, the store gets really cluttered, really messy, very overwhelming. So I decided to aim on the side of shopping online. So yes, let me just let you guys know how to do this ZARA online. So first off, you want to start off by going on to ZARA.com. To some, you're like, okay, so why are you telling me the website? Well, because sometimes it's not that easy. For example, H&M. I cannot tell you how many times I used to put in hm.com when the website is just hm.com. Once you've gone on and you're now on ZARA, you want to register. That is tip number one. Register to ZARA. What this does is it helps you to just retrieve orders, or even while you're shopping, you can place something in the shopping bag, and if you mistakenly X out or anything like that, you can return, and because you've registered to ZARA, your item will be in the shopping bag. Of course, if the item is still available. If the item is sold out, it will not be in your shopping bag. The next thing you want to do is sign up for the newsletter. This notifies you if ZARA has a sale coming up or anything like that. So ZARA has sales twice a year. They do not have set dates as to when the sale will be. So that's why signing up for the newsletter is helpful. However, the summer sale is normally like maybe around June 18th to like the 26th. The winter sale, which is normally after Christmas. So look around December 26th, around those dates. But if you sign up for the newsletter, you will be notified like a couple weeks in advance when the ZARA sale will begin. I want to touch on the ZARA sale really quickly. I want to mention that it is truly amazing. I love the ZARA sale. I've picked up so many items for a great price. ZARA makes great items, and if you can get something that's like $100, $200 on sale, then why not? And knowing that it's going to be a great item, then I don't see why you would not. Of course, if you're saving money, then stay away from ZARA because they have great stuff. And then also with the ZARA sales, it's not like, okay, so we go on to ZARA this week and then say the item is 25% off. It's not to say that it's going to remain that. As the weeks go on, you could probably find that item for up to 80% off. As the weeks go on, the price continues to drop. So definitely pay attention to that. Another tip to shopping ZARA is putting in your measurements when you're purchasing something. This will help guide you to what to purchase. This I have found to be very helpful. If I'm still ambivalent as to what size comes up, I do just purchase both sizes, which is also a tip because you can return it. So just purchase both sizes. Whether you're thinking, oh, should I size up or should I size down? Purchase your size and size up if you need to, or size down if you feel like you need to, and just return that item that you don't need. Another thing you want to know is that ZARA releases items twice a week, normally on Tuesday and on Thursdays. Another thing you want to know about shopping ZARA online is that when you're shopping, if you go to select your size and you notice they're all grayed out, which means you're not able to add this item to your cart, see if there's a little envelope on the side of that cart. If there is, click on it and enter your email address so that you're notified when that item becomes available. I cannot tell you how many times that has saved me. Like, ZARA has items that you want, and when you go to get it, it's not there. And then you enter your email address if that envelope is available and you're able to get that item. That has happened to me a multitude of times. Also, when you're shopping ZARA, say you see a full-on outfit like this item, which I did pick up from ZARA. I got this on the ZARA sale. But this item right here, say you see this and the model has on like nice trousers with them, but you want the trousers instead. Scroll all the way down and you'll notice that ZARA sets everything up on the bottom. So it gives you every item that the model is wearing. You can click on it and purchase the item if it's available. The next few things I'm going to mention about ZARA aren't really tips. They're just things you want to know. So you can purchase items on ZARA using credit cards, debit cards, but you can also use PayPal. I think PayPal is amazing because it's just safer. You're not continuously entering your credit card information onto the website. The other good thing about using PayPal for shopping ZARA online is that you can return in store with PayPal. So all it does is they'll ask you to pull up your order, which you do want to save in your email. Like if you get the confirmation that you've purchased the item, pull it up on your email, bring it in, show them the barcode, they'll scan it, return it that way, and it will return to your PayPal, but your PayPal will return it to your credit card. I wanted to mention this because there are some places that if you purchase with PayPal, you cannot return in store with PayPal. You have to turn around and ship the item back. ZARA is not like that. You can return with PayPal in store. Another thing you want to know about shopping ZARA online is that once you spend $50, you do get free shipping. This is standard shipping, so it does take about 2 to 4 business days to receive your items. If you want to pay for other methods of shipping, like same-day delivery, which I do believe is $9.95, then of course you can. But if you want free shipping, just know that your minimum purchase has to be $50. If you remember, I mentioned that you can return items that you purchased online in the store. So you can obtain your order information via email and then you just bring that in to the store and return it that way. If you happen to delete your email and you did register, which I mentioned as the first thing you should do once you've decided that you're gonna shop online on ZARA, if you did register, you can log in and obtain your order information that way so that you can return your items in store. If you're too busy or too lazy, like I am sometimes, to return your item in store, you can ship your item back. All you have to do is log into your account, retrieve your order information, say you want to return it, and just follow the instructions from there. ZARA will provide the label. You will put it back on the box that your items came in and just follow the drop-off instructions from there. There's so much to shopping ZARA online. It's so much fun. ZARA is an incredible store to shop from. I just wanted to touch on the top things that I find very helpful when I'm shopping ZARA online. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Please remember to be kind to others as you never know what anyone else is going through. Also remember to subscribe. Until next time.